Vacuum motors usually get really loud when they need to be replaced, but they can also just not turn on when they've failed. First, we'll start by removing the old vacuum motor. Pull the drain hose off its clip and pull the vacuum and squeegee hoses out of their keepers. Unlatch the 3 Mopit latches. Lift the top of the tank off the Mopit and disconnect the wiring harness quick disconnect. Remove the 3 vacuum motor mounting nuts with a 7/16 socket and ratchet with an extension. Pull the vacuum motor out and disconnect the 2 motor electrical wires. Now we'll install the new vacuum motor by repeating the same steps in reverse order. Slide the new vacuum motor onto the motor mount studs. Replace the motor mount nuts and tighten them with the ratchet. As long as the white spacers are still on the motor mount studs, you don't have to worry about over-tightening the nuts. Connect the 2 vacuum wires. The motor will work fine no matter how you connect the 2 motor wires. Push the squeegee hose back into the hose clip. Connect the main wiring harness back together and replace the top half and connect the latches. Push the hoses back into the receivers and clips. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com.